think the world needs all industries, particularly the mining industry, to go beyond fossil fuel as soon as possible. It's an absolute existential necessity. But let's break down our own numbers. I mean, this is a very sound financial investment. 6.2 billion sounds like a large number. Is it such a large number when you make 818 million a year in the best kind of money you can make, which is pure operating cost savings, goes straight to the bottom line, no tax? And that happens every year with a one-off investment, happens every year for life. But let's look at that a bit further. Over this particular construction period, because of the beauty of how renewable energy operates on a segmented construction program, we also eliminate $3 billion worth of additional costs, starting, of course, last year, going up to calendar 2030. Now, that $3 billion, if you take that off the 6.2, look at the permanent yield of 818 million US. You've gone from a 14% yield, which Warren Buffett loves. I mean, he jumps out of bed, he says, for a 9%, the miracle of 9%. Well, this is 14, 15% from the get-go. But take off the $3 billion, which we also save on the way through during the construction period out to 2030. Now looking at 818 million against a net investment of 3.2. Now you're looking at over 20% IRR. So I'm saying to every industrial company, every heavy major emitting company out there in the world, please look at what we do. We'll share our technology, our know-how with you. You too can step beyond fossil fuels.
Yeah, and it'll be interesting, Andrew, to understand your specific plans. How does the $6 billion break up between all of that you want to achieve in your fossil fuel reduction initiatives?
Okay, so we already have ordered 120 trucks with wheels whose hubcap wouldn't even get up to the top of the room I'm standing in. And we're putting in our own drivetrains, our own energy systems into those huge haul trucks. We have the largest, heaviest, fastest bulk trains in the world. They consume enormous amounts of diesel, but they actually go from 500 kilometres away from the coast down to sea level. They carry on their backs 37,000 tonnes of iron ore, and the big honking diesels which churn out heaps of carbon, smoke, etc. Guess what they spend most of their power on? Braking. That parabolic gravity energy now will be captured into the braking system, back into the battery, will send that train back up the hill for zero external source of energy requirement and therefore, of course, zero pollution. They're just two examples of how we can rapidly decarbonise our operations with technology we're prepared to share with the world.